So you guys might be wondering, what am I up to? What am I gonna do? Well, today, as you guys see, my mom's headlights are so messed up. You see, we're gonna try to clear this out. You see how dirty they look? We're gonna try to make them look brand new. I picked this up from O'Reilly, the 3M Premium Auto Ultra Headlight Kit Restoration. So this is what they look like right now. I'm trying to get them to look like this. Okay, I don't have one of those drills, so I'm gonna do it by hand. I was thinking of grabbing my mom's mixer for the eggs and like making it trying to use that, but we're not gonna go that way. Okay, so we're gonna try to fix these headlights. So actually I need a towel. Okay, so we're gonna get all the things that we need. So I gotta, oh, this one, we could grab this one. Okay, so clean the headlight. I mean, can't even notice. Yeah, this car. Ba ba boom, ba da ba bang. All right, now we gotta tape off the air. Right?
How about the back?
No, we're just doing the headlights. Que suene la banda. All right. Matches the kicks. Look, green, bright green shoes. I mean, green tape, green kicks. As you guys can see, I love bright shoes. And if you haven't already, make sure you watch my other videos so you guys can check out my shoe collection. But yeah, this is what we're doing during quarantine because I mean, there's nothing really to do. So it comes with gloves. With gloves or a glove?
Not sure.
Oh, it just comes with one glove. I have another one in the house, but I don't feel like going over there. But this is all we're gonna need. So let's read the instructions. I never like reading instructions, but I'm gonna have to read them just so we can see what. Here, let me take everything out.
Let's see what.
Ooh, beautiful pictures. I'm a visual learner. I can't be reading. I need pictures. Like, for example, when we go to a restaurant, I can't.
What the do you?
All right, when we go to a restaurant, I cannot order my food by reading something. I gotta go to Yelp and look at the pictures. So, for example, this has pictures, these instructions, so that is beautiful. I love it. All right, so step one. Where's step one? Where is step one? Okay, so clean the lens with water and soap. God damn, we don't have soap. It is what it is. Okay, into the 1200 RPM, the drill. 500. Then, okay, we're gonna start off with the 500. Where the 500 at? This is the 800, 500.
Do you really want money?
We're gonna spray the water. I mean, spray the lens. Spray with a lot of water.
Spray.
All right. And we're gonna grab the 500 grid.
500.
Oh shit! God damn! I better. Oh my god! Hopefully, I don't freaking scratch them and make them swerve.
You're washing the car.
A little bit more water.
Oof, foamy.
Look at it. Oh my god. Hopefully that, dude,
Yeah.
Honestly, listen guys, I'm like a little scared. Hopefully we get to fix that. If not, I'm gonna have to buy new headlights.
Because,
All right. So it says to use a 500, let's use a 800, put more water.
hope you don't scratch it.
Okay, so circular motions here. Circular motions.
Oh, that looks nice.
My mama's gonna want to drive at night all night because after this,
She can't
she's
even
gonna be able to
sleep.
see.
Look at that. It's a lot of milk.
He needs some milk.
All right, let's clean it and see what it looks like.
You make sure your cart does not have no milk.
Oh my God, they're getting worse.
It's worse.
Golly.
This
All right, people, bear with me. This is my
Guys,
first time doing
Look,
this.
I'm gonna show you.
Let me see.
This
Oh my goodness.
compared to this.
Hey, this better come out good, or else I'm gonna go back to O'Reilly and tell my boy that he gave me the wrong shit. People that watch my videos are not subscribed, so make sure you hit this notification. I mean, hit the subscribe button,
Please.
the bell notification, so you guys know when I'm making new videos, when I post something new, and make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Let's see what it looks like.
Maybe with a little wash.
Okay, we're just gonna keep this and let it dry. Let it air dry. Hopefully
I hope
it
I don't.
stays like this.
I don't.
So we're about to get my mama's reaction. Hopefully it stays like that. Looks like that. Make sure you help them out and do this, because I feel like most of the girls, I'm not saying all of them, they just know how to put gas in the car and go. Because obviously my mom, look what happened. Went from this to that. Go buy that product. That
one's shiny.
yeah, the clear one, huh? Look how it used to look.
Oh, wow. Oh, my God.
It's a little kit. It was $20 at O'Reilly.
Really?
Yeah. It's easy to do. Yeah. All right, guys, that's the finished product right there. Bam. Way better than it used to look like. So thank you guys for watching today's video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up, and that is how you clean your headlights. Make sure you go to O'Reilly and pick this up right here, and it'll help you a lot.
It's a Christmas thingy.
That looks so nice.
Yeah.
Stay tuned for another video.
Yeah.
Peace.
Out.
Swerving in the whip, cop that new form. I just seen your new nigga, he look too boring. And I see him sending shots, they need new form. Niggas say that they hot, but they lukewarm. Bitch,
I bust that thing down when I get it in. I've been flexing with my niggas, calling Benjamins. Type of nigga